Henry Fayol's 14 Principles of Management. Henry Fayol's 14 Principles of Management. Henry Fayol's 14 Principles of Management look at an organization from a top-down approach to help managers get the best from their employees and run the business with ease. These are the 14 Principles of Management by Henry Fayol. Number 1, it's division of work. Division of work. Number 2, authority. Number 3, discipline. Number 4, unity of command. Number 5, unity of direction. Number 6, collective interest over individual interest. Individual interest. Number 7, remuneration. Number 8, centralization. Number 9, Scalar Chain. Number 10, order. Number 11, equity. Number 12, stability of tenure of personnel. Stability of tenure of personnel. Number 13, initiative. And number 14, spirit de corps, which means team spirit. So these are the 14 principles of management by Henry Fayol. Division of work, authority, discipline, unity of command, unity of direction, collective interest over individual interest, remuneration, centralization, scalar chain, order, equity, stability of tenure of personnel, initiative, and last one, spirit de corps, that is team spirit.